Most people think cheap cameras are useless in 2026. But what if I told you there's a real digital camera that costs almost nothing and still might be worth buying? This is the Kodak PixPro FZ45, and honestly, it's one of the most surprising budget cameras I've seen in a long time. At first glance, the FZ45 looks like a classic point-and-shoot from the early 2010s. It's small, lightweight, and super simple. No fancy design, no premium materials, just a basic plastic body that feels cheap, but also practical. This is the kind of camera you can throw in your bag, take anywhere, and not worry about damaging. And that's actually part of its appeal. Now let's talk about what you're getting. The camera has a 16-megapixel sensor and a 4x optical zoom lens. That zoom alone already gives it an advantage over most smartphones in this price range. You also get full HD video recording, which is decent for casual clips. But here's the real thing. This camera is not about specs. It's about simplicity. You turn it on, press the shutter, and it just works. No complicated settings, no confusing menus. Everything is automatic, and for beginners or kids, this is perfect. It removes all the barriers and lets you focus on just taking photos. But let's be real. This is a super cheap camera, so expectations matter. In good lighting, the photos are actually okay. Colors look nice, and the images are usable for social media or small prints. Nothing amazing, but definitely not terrible. However, the moment light starts to drop, the quality drops fast. You'll see noise, less detail, and softer images. This is where modern smartphones easily win. The screen on the back is another weak point. It's small and low resolution, so your photos won't look great when reviewing them. But again, this camera isn't built for perfection. It's built for basic use. One thing that might surprise you is the battery. It uses AA batteries instead of a rechargeable one. Now, this sounds outdated, and it is, but it also means you can replace batteries anywhere. Traveling? Just buy new ones and keep shooting. The downside is battery life isn't great, and the flash takes time to recharge. So who is this camera actually for? If you're expecting professional quality, this is not it. If you want something better than your smartphone, this is also not it. But if you want a super cheap, simple, fun camera that anyone can use, then this starts to make a lot of sense. It's perfect for kids, beginners, or even as a backup camera. It's also great for people who just want a break from smartphones and enjoy the feel of a real camera again. At the end of the day, the Kodak PixPro FZ45 is not trying to impress you with power. It's trying to win you over with simplicity. And in a world full of complicated tech, that might actually be its biggest strength. So the real question is, would you still buy a cheap camera like this in 2026, or is your smartphone already enough?